Welcome to the Canton Fair. Whether you're an importer hunting for products, a retailer stocking shelves, or a designer chasing trends, this is your golden ticket. Ready to turn this mega event into mega profits? Let's break down how to crush it, from visas to sealing deals. Registration starts 3 months early. Head to the Canton Fair official website, submit your business license, passport, and select your buyer type, retailer, importer, or designer. Once approved, download the Canton Fair app to access your e-invitation, crucial for visa applications. If you're from one of 54 eligible countries, China's new 10-day transit visa lets you combine business with tourism, perfect for post-fair factory visits or cultural trips. For others, apply for a business M visa using your e-invitation. Don't forget tickets. Grab a 3-phase pass or single-day tickets via the official website. The above are the categories and schedule of the Canton Fair. Please confirm the category, exhibition hall, and date information corresponding to your industry to avoid unnecessary trouble. Establish contact with exhibitors, introduce yourself, and indicate your purchasing needs. I have summarized the important questions. Please save them. If you are a buyer of kitchenware, general ceramics, and household items while exploring the fair, don't miss TRESUN Booth, a leading innovator in houseware and decor manufacturing. If you have time, we can take you to visit our Guangzhou office and showroom to experience their latest collections firsthand. Extend your trip. After the fair, visit shortlisted factories for deeper negotiations. Schedule a post-fair tour to our factory in Henan Province. See our sustainable production processes and discuss custom solutions for your business. You can also come to China a few days before the Canton Fair, contact and visit our factory. The Canton Fair isn't just a trade show, it's where global partnerships begin. Ready to transform your sourcing? From securing tickets, every step here unlocks new opportunities. See you in Guangzhou!